And we're hauling it in the Ford because we're not making boards. Yeah! We're gonna have a rocket tune there before long. Hey TazManiacs, we have a pretty awesome unboxing this morning. It's Friday. It is today, and I'll put this video up today. Work Monday through Thursday, and now I'm on my 7 off. So here we go. Right? Figured I'd start it off with a good old unboxing from the Bushman, Butler Outdoors, Canada. I talked to him about some clutch parts for the XL 130, and I talked to Josh McDaniels about them too, and got some parts there. So yeah. Anyway, let's open it. Let's open this. Remember now, I only talked to him about clutch parts. Right, Andrew? You're a wild man. Oh. Wild man. The official box opener. Uh-oh. Oh, goodness sakes. All right. Got a new card. Here's some parts. Love you, brother. Bushman. Yeah, buddy. Go check them out. What do we got here? What? What is this? Tygon fuel line. Carb kit. K10 SDC. That could be from Mac. Oh, look at this. This is a big old Tilly bullfrog or something, huh? Yeah. Couple fuel filters. Wow, Andrew, thanks, man. Oh my gosh. Yeah, those are getting these old carb kits. Look at that. That's even got the big old jet in there. Dude, really? Wow. Oh yeah, fuel line. Gotta love that fuel line. The garlic wedge for small diameter wood, and my favorite color. Give her the garlic. Whoa, look at those. Look at those little guys. You know what, Andrew? That's awesome, man. My smaller wedges are going are getting pretty beat up. They're getting pretty beat up. I've had them for quite a while, but man, they sure work good. These are great start wedges. Great start wedges for small diameter. Oh man, they got the cleats on them. Those are great for getting you set up. Wow, Andrew, thanks, man. Gosh, that's crazy. Big giant bubble popper. Bubble popper. Oh, that's some cool wrapping. Look at that stuff, huh? Yeah, that makes for a nice top cover. What is this? What is going on here? let's move this. What, Andrew? Oh, gosh. Are you kidding me? Look at that. No way. Oh, look at that. Gosh, Andrew. Look at that. Parts. You can always use parts, right? Wow, Andrew. Bushman. This is crazy. There's a ton of good parts on here. Ton of good parts, but that clutch, that's where it's at right there, brother. I don't know what it is with me and rim sprocket clutches, but to me they work. They're smoother because they can, you know, they can float. They have a certain amount of room to float, so it's not wearing everything on one spot, you know. Wow, thanks, Andrew. Gosh, you people are nuts. This is just cool. Parts. Awesome. Awesome. Yep. See these, the inside of these clutches, why it's been such a something to find a bushing is, well, because the parts there aren't a lot of parts around here. And I was having a hard time finding this bushing. Josh from McDaniel Saws, he sent me this setup. This bearing is pressed in there, right? This is a clutch for a 925. Same drum. It's just that the inside hole is different size, right? So the way this thing, so these pieces that Josh sent, they'll work. I just have to get it to be the right length. I have to make it the same exact length as this. I know I'm not. But see, this piece here is shorter than this. So I have an add-on piece here. And I have to get it shaved down because see what this piece gets squeezed. It gets squeezed when it's in here. It gets squeezed from this side and from the inside. So if it's too short, then it's gonna, cause see that the shaft, your crankshaft spins all the time, right? And the only time your clutch spins is when the clutch goes out, the shoes spread out and go against this inner rim and make the clutch spin, right? Okay, this stays with the shaft. It doesn't, I don't know, it's kind of hard to explain. But you have to have this the right length in order to get squeezed from the inside and the outside to where your clutch does, you know, if you get it too much, if it's too long, then your clutch will do this. Exaggerated, of course, but it will do this. And you only want it to do this, which comes in more to that floating part of the rim sprocket that goes in here, right? This bearing pushed in there, it pressed in there good. It's good. This, I'm having kind of a difficult time to get it to, because you can't take too much. You know what I mean? And I'm no machinist. What I have is a grinder and a file. I don't have a fancy lathe. I don't have people around here that will even mess with this kind of stuff. They won't even talk to me about it. You know what I mean? So this clutch, so this right here, from Andrew is going to be awesome. It's going to be awesome. I'll try to get a video up of taking that off and replacing it. It feels good. Spins. But yeah, so it, hear that? See, that's how much movement it has. Also, so if you get it too long, if it's too long, if that bushing is too long, then your clutch doesn't go on far enough. And then it'll stick out. It'll stick out this way, right? Well, you don't want that because your side cover's right here. And then it won't be tightened properly. It won't operate properly. So yeah, this is awesome. This whole thing. Andrew, I can't believe you sent this much of a part saw. I'm just excited. I am super excited. Of course, you know, I love parts. I like parts. And I'm really starting to like these home lights. They're a different animal for sure. For sure. So anyway, thanks for everybody for the help and the support on this clutch deal. I'm excited. I'm excited. It's just I don't know. Like I said, I'm no machinist. I'm no machinist to get that to be super precise. Because the clutch spins free on that. Or that spins inside the clutch as it's sitting there idling. When you got a chain on it, this part isn't turning. If this is turning, your chain's turning, right? Right. So this piece here, the bearing, takes up the movement. Right? Keeps it from... Anyway. Yeah, so thanks everybody for the help on this deal. It's kind of, you know, because it's, like I said, the parts just aren't here. They aren't here. They're tough to source where I'm at. So there we are. Now we have the parts to change that clutch over. And we will do that. We will do that for sure. Awesome. Well, everybody, I hope you're having a great week so far, and I hope you have an awesome day. I really do. Yeah, we got some wedges, we got some fuel line, we got some fuel filters. Rebuild kits. Wow. Gosh. This is too cool. And that sprocket on there, there's nothing wrong with the sprocket on there either, Andrew. Did you take this off and put a new sprocket on there? It's got a tiny bit of wear on it. But yeah, that turns with the shaft. Oh, anyway, just messing around. We got a nice fire going out here in the shed today, and just tinkering, just messing around. Finally got to this. Sorry it took me so long, Andrew, but here we are, buddy. Awesome. Everybody have a great day. Love you all. Take care. TazMan is rolling.